Look at that. Don't have any trees.
But you can't get that anywhere except right there. Marco went to where it started, and here's what he found.
Give me like 2 more seconds, I'll be off your ground.
Marco had a free afternoon in San Francisco. He's from the East Coast, and this was the first time in California. And the Ghirardelli Square was on the list. And here's what most people don't know when they walk in. The Ghirardelli isn't just a chocolate shop. The whole square is on the National Historic Register. It's actually considered the first successful adaptive reuse project in the United States. Meaning, instead of tearing down an old factory, they turned it into something completely different. First thing he noticed? The smell. And then the people. Way more than he expected. Tour buses, families, conversations in different languages all at once. Right in the middle of it all, the fountain. The square built around an old chocolate factory that somehow became one of the most visited spots in San Francisco.
Alcatraz, so close. People are here swimming. See them?
An honest question for the people in San Francisco. Is it normal to go swimming in the waters near the Alcatraz? Or is this a bad idea?
Smell the chocolate. Chocolate.
I can only imagine that the smell is part of the whole experience at the Ghirardelli Square. You know where you are before you even look around. This is the Ghirardelli Experience store, where you see the brand up close. The merchandise, chocolate, everything you've seen in a grocery store. But here, in the building where it all started.
This is the original store.
The original store, with a small museum inside showing how the chocolate was actually made. That grinder you're looking at right now, that's the kind of equipment they used to process cocoa beans into chocolate in the early days. And here's something I didn't know before I started researching this trip. The reason Ghirardelli's cocoa powder, one of their most important products, exists at all, it was an accident. Someone at the factory left bags of chocolate paste hanging in a warm room and forgot about them. The fat in the paste melted and dripped out onto the floor. What was left in the bags was a dry, greaseless residue that could be ground into powder. They patented it, built a product line around it, and those vintage posters on the wall right there, that's them selling that accidental discovery to the rest of the country, back when they were still figuring out what they actually had. The original Ghirardelli ice cream and chocolate shop opened here in 1966 because chocolate sales dipped every summer, so they added ice cream. Then someone made a handmade hot fudge sauce to go over That's the world famous hot fudge sundae. Not a big strategy, just a fix for a slow season that turned into something people travel for. And it worked.
Look at that. Don't have any trees.
That's what we've got from the Ghirardelli Square in San Francisco. A little history, a lot of people, and a strawberry milkshake. If you've got a place like this near you, somewhere you know the name but never actually stopped, go visit, and I'll see you on the next route.